everyone! Thank you so much for tuning in to episode 6 of Cooking in Quarantine with your health promotion staff here in Halifax. My name is Madison, and today we're going to be making chocolate zucchini muffins. So this recipe is a really great tasty snack. It's a healthier version of a chocolate muffin or a chocolate cupcake, so it can help satisfy those cravings while also still being healthy. So in this recipe there's very little oil. It actually uses Greek yogurt and applesauce to help make them really moist and light. And they also have added zucchini for additional vegetable intake. So if you have children at home, this is a great way to encourage them to eat vegetables, and they maybe won't even know that they're eating them because it really just tastes like a chocolate cupcake. So we're gonna get started. I'll show you how to make them and I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so in order to make this delicious recipe, you will need 3/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup unsweetened applesauce, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 medium zucchini, and 1/2 cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. In this bowl, I have already mixed together the dry ingredients, which includes 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Before you start, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll also want to prepare your muffin tray by adding liners or greasing it. In a large mixing bowl, mix together the Greek yogurt, brown sugar, applesauce, 2 eggs, oil, and vanilla. Mix together until all ingredients are combined well. Next, you'll grate the zucchini using a cheese grater. Cut off both ends, but don't worry about peeling it. The skin of the zucchini is perfectly edible and has lots of great nutrients. Just make sure that you wash it first. Now, add the grated zucchini to your wet ingredients and mix together. Here, you would combine all of your dry ingredients, but since I've already done that, I'm just going to give it a stir and add the chocolate chips. Now, it's time to add your wet ingredients to your dry ones. Pour the wet into the dry and give it a stir, but only stir enough so that everything is just combined. Be careful here not to over-stir or you won't get the right consistency with your muffins. Now that we're done making the batter, it's time to fill the muffin tray. Try your best to make each muffin about the same size using about the same amount of batter. You can then top up any that seem a bit small by adding a little more batter if you have any extra. Next, we'll put our muffins into the oven. Set a timer for 20 minutes. When your timer goes off, take the muffins out of the oven to take a look. To test if they're done, Stick a toothpick into the center of one of your muffins. If it comes out clean with very few crumbs, that means that they're done. But if it comes out with lots of crumbs or even some liquid left on it, then they probably need another few minutes in the oven. Once the muffins are cool enough to touch, move them onto a rack to finish cooling.
Alright, so thanks again everyone for tuning in. That wraps up our Cooking in Quarantine episode for today. I hope you enjoy your chocolate zucchini muffins. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below this video, and we'll see you next time.